Hi, this is Lenz, and I want to speak about how we achieve privacy by design for ZenAI. So let's say this is your workstation, and on your workstation there is your browser. And when you want to access an app that lives on some web server, your browser actually requests this app from the web server, which then answers to your browser. And to be more precise, it answers with the front end, which is the user interface that you use to display and enter data to the app. But there's also the backend and the database system on the web server. And when you use the app, the front end and the backend are directly communicating with each other here. And so this is the typical cloud-based web app setup. And now when you want to connect this kind of system to an LLM server, you usually use the backend of the web app to communicate with that server and to orchestrate all the data processing that you want to apply AI to. And the problem here is that in this setup, there is a trust boundary. Here you see this line where above the line, that's the public cloud with all the systems that you cannot control. And below the line, there is your trusted environment where you actually have control over what's going on. And if you now have kind of business data that you want to keep private or secret in your trusted environment, then it's a challenge to connect this to an LLM in order to leverage AI technology in the setting. And even if you have a trusted LLM server in your own environment, you still need kind of the orchestrating app and the orchestrating backend in your environment to connect AI technology to your data. And this is exactly what ZenAI provides by not only sending the front end to your workstation when requesting the app, but by sending the full app, including the backend and the database, to your browser. And then you can kind of completely in your trusted environment connect the backend of ZenAI to the trusted LLM server and the business data that you want to process. And finally, this means that there's no need for infrastructure from the public cloud, but that everything is running in your trusted environment.